What I was saying earlier,
Yeah, sorry.
before I got sidetracked, about the workplace is that the suppression of your true humanity in the workplace, your ability to be
Right.
free and to be yourself and
Right.
to joke around and have fun, especially when there's intersex politics, when there's a cross of men and women working together. There's this sort of like fakeness that goes on all day, and then there's this other level of fakeness that goes on when you're out in the nightlife time and you're trying to get laid. Like, so there's that fakeness as well.
Yeah.
And there's just such a small percentage of time that humans, men and women throughout the day, interact with each other on a truly honest level. So like, it takes fucking decades to understand each other. It takes decades as a man to just try to wrap your head around the idea of wanting babies growing inside of you and wanting dicks and being attracted to men. Just wrapping your head around that. It's a very strange concept.
Yeah.
And because we bullshit each other all day at work, because we bullshit each other when we go out on dates or social events, we pretend to be someone more sophisticated or interesting than we truly are.
Yeah.
I think that the amount of time it takes before you start understanding how people really are, as opposed to these bizarre patterns that we keep following.
Yeah.
It seems.
And you didn't even mention media. Think
Yeah.
of all the bullshit media pumps into us about each other, men and women.